Facing trouble with the photo swipe feature on TikTok on your iPhone? This can happen because of app glitches or network issues. Don't worry, in this video, I'll walk you through the steps to fix the TikTok photo swipe not working problem on your iPhone. Let's get started. Before doing anything else, make sure you have a stable internet connection. Try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data. Now try airplane mode on and off. After that, try these advanced solutions. Solution 1. Clear TikTok data. Go to the TikTok app. After that, tap on the profile icon from the bottom. Then tap on the three lines from the top. Next, tap Settings and Privacy. Now scroll down and tap Free Up Space. Now tap Clear to reduce the cache. Solution 2. Offload TikTok app. Open up the settings, then tap on General. Next, tap on iPhone Storage. Now scroll down and find the TikTok app here. Next, tap on TikTok, then tap Offload, and again tap Offload. After that, tap Reinstall it. If you still have the same issue, then follow my next solution. Solution 3. Reset network settings. Open Settings, tap General, scroll down, then tap Transfer Reset iPhone. After that, tap Reset. Now tap Reset network settings. Then enter the passcode of your iPhone if it wants. Tap Reset network settings again. After resetting the network, go ahead and check whether your problem is solved or not. That's how you can fix the TikTok photo swipe issue on your iPhone. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit the like button. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments below. I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.